So the great thing about what we do is that numbers don't lie, and numbers tell a story as long as you can understand the story. And there are 4 key chapters to understanding your finances in business. Your first chapter is understanding your lead metrics. So it's about understanding, well, how does opportunity actually come into the bank account in the first place by way of revenue? And it's about understanding, okay, well, from leads to clients and clients to delivery, and then delivery to invoicing, whatever that process looks like for you. And there's typically a lot of cash flow bottlenecks that business owners don't understand, things like their cash conversion cycle or their cost per acquisition. So we typically look there in terms of chapter 1. Chapter 2 is understanding their profit and loss statement. And it's the relationship between revenue, their cost of sales, their operating expenses, and how that impacts their operating profit. Because every business has a different financial model. Some have higher cost of sales and cost to serve. Some have high margin and low cost. And that allows us to have a deep understanding of where is the lowest hanging financial fruit that exists for them.
Yeah.
Chapter number 3 is the balance sheet. And most business owners have no idea what a balance sheet is, let alone how to read it. And what we see is that from so many business owners, they're frustrated that they go to their accountant, they see their financial statements, and they go, where the hell's the money? And it's because they have never understood their assets, liabilities, and equity in their business by way of the balance sheet. So we help our clients understand cash conversion cycle and ultimately how their profit and loss translates into real cash in terms of inflows and outflows. And then the last chapter of the story is the actual cash flow. And this allows us to work out, well, how much money do we really have? And then what can we do with it to either grow and scale the business, increase your personal earnings, and then build more personal wealth. And typically through this process, we identify 7 levers. And out of those 7 levers, based on the story that the numbers tell us, each of those levers has different sensitivity based on the business. And then that allows us to work out which levers we should pull and which levers we shouldn't.